The E-Myth Revisited by Michael. Gerber is a groundbreaking book that addresses the myths and misconceptions surrounding entrepreneurship and small business ownership. Gerber introduces the concept of the entrepreneurial myth, which suggests that the mere act of having technical skills in a certain field is enough to succeed as a business owner. He argues that this myth often leads to failure and burnout for aspiring entrepreneurs. Gerber presents the three distinct personalities that every entrepreneur must embody: the entrepreneur, the manager, and the technician. The entrepreneur is the visionary who creates the business concept, the manager is responsible for organizing and systematizing operations, and the technician performs the technical work required by the business. Balancing these three roles is essential for achieving long-term success. The author introduces the concept of the turnkey revolution, which involves developing a business that operates seamlessly and can be handed over to others to manage. Gerber emphasizes the importance of creating standardized processes, documentation, and systems to ensure consistency and quality. Gerber introduces the franchise prototype as a model for building a successful business. This involves creating a replicable system that can be easily duplicated, similar to the way a franchise operates. By focusing on the business as a system rather than relying solely on individual effort, entrepreneurs can achieve scalability and sustained growth. The book discusses the significance of creating a clear and compelling vision for the business, defining its purpose, values, and unique selling proposition. Gerber emphasizes that the business should serve the entrepreneur's life goals rather than being an all-consuming endeavor. Gerber also addresses the importance of working on the business rather than in the business. This involves dedicating time to strategic planning, innovation, and continuous improvement, rather than getting bogged down in day-to-day tasks. Additional insights and analysis. The E-Myth Revisited provides a step-by-step guide for transforming small businesses into scalable and efficient operations. Gerber's approach involves implementing systems, developing a clear organizational structure, and fostering a culture of innovation and accountability. The book offers practical advice on creating processes, training employees, and utilizing technology to streamline operations. Gerber's emphasis on standardization and a franchise prototype is particularly relevant in today's fast-paced business environment, where consistency and efficiency are crucial for success. His insights encourage entrepreneurs to think strategically and focus on building businesses that can thrive beyond the efforts of a single individual.